Hi there. We spoke about the hype cycle, how to flatten the peaks and the valleys. We spoke about steepening your learning curve, and we spoke about the concept of projects, process, and products, and how to productize marketing. Now let's unpack that a little bit further. You don't have to boil the ocean. You don't have to do all the different combinations and variations. What you really have to look at are the core building blocks of every customer journey, which is, first of all, the right content, the right data, and the right features. Our research shows that you don't need tons of those to build that customer journey and customer experience that really drives 50% of your revenue. So make sure that you know which ones are those features, data points, and content types. In general, there are no more than just 3 to 5 of those for each. So to get to that point and knowing exactly which 3 to 5 there are, you need to do a lot of projects and tick them off and say this one works, that one doesn't. So this is how you boil it down and shrink it and go to a razor sharp focus and see this is the type of content that we need, like a LinkedIn ad or an email copy or a landing page. Those 3 elements we need. And we don't need tons of variations. We know exactly what content converts and what doesn't. And with the KPIs and the data points, we know exactly which ones are telling us something and what are vanity metrics. And again, they're not tons of KPIs. They're normally 3 to 5 that really tell you, okay, now it's a conversion and this is really working. And this is where you are if you are at the process level. Now you've figured it out. And at the slope of enlightenment, you really see that you know what is the best of feature, the best of data, and the best of content that works for you. From there, it's just tweaking, refining, and optimizing, and putting things on autopilot. And that is magic because it frees up a lot of IT resources, marketing resources, content resources, agency resources that you can reinvest in new iterations and make sure you support new customer experiences and new customer journeys. And that's how you do it. This is the concept of best of content, feature, and data. Thank you so much. See you in the next Martech Memo.